The Hisense API0825UW1D Portable AC is designed to operate at an impressively quiet 39 decibels, making it ideal for working, relaxing, or sleeping without disruption. With 8,000 BTU of cooling power, this compact unit efficiently cools rooms up to 350 square feet, providing comfort in small to medium-sized spaces. Its energy-efficient inverter technology ensures powerful cooling while being gentle on your electricity bill, offering a cost-effective cooling solution. The innovative twin-hose system and press-and-snap air duct assembly allow for quick and effortless installation, letting you enjoy comfort in a matter of minutes. Maintenance is simplified with the self-evaporation system and washable, removable filters, requiring minimal effort to keep the unit running smoothly. Stay connected and in control with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing remote adjustments through the ConnectLife app or integration with Matter-compatible smart home platforms.